Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you step by step on how to set up MetaMask extension on Google Chrome. First, go to Google and type metamask.io. Once you go to MetaMask website on the main page, click top right hand side where it says download. Once you click, you'll come to this page where you click where it says Chrome. Once you click Chrome, then go down and click where it says install Chrome onto your computer. Once you click that, it will install it onto your laptop or computer. It will load. It might take a few seconds. Once it loads, a message will come up says that remove extension. Once it says remove from Chrome, that basically means that it's already downloaded the extension into your computer. So another window will pop up, which is MetaMask, basically telling you to either import an existing wallet or create a new wallet. Once you come back to the other window, you can see it's already installed the Google Chrome extension into your computer. To check that, click the extension icon on your laptop or computer. It's on the top right hand side. Once you click that, you will see it's already there. That's how you download a MetaMask extension into your computer. Thank you for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.